Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel Pretty Kitchen. I'm your host Manisha. Friends, today we are going to make homemade milk powder. Yes, we can make milk powder at home. So, before starting this innovative recipe, I request you to please subscribe, like and click the all option of bell icon button. So friends, let's start for making homemade milk powder. It is very easy and quick recipe. For that we will require 1 liter of milk. This is full fat milk I am using here. Okay, boil it and reduce its quantity at least to 1/3. While boiling it at low temperature, you have to continuously stir it to avoid the lumps or cluster of the milk at the bottom. And this kind of texture of the milk we will require. When the milk will reduce to this quantity, we will switch off the gas, let it cool down. Now take a big flat plate and spread this milk on it. Now we are going to dry this milk under the fan at least for 1 to 2 hours. You can directly put it under the sunlight. But instead of doing that, I thought to air dry it so that some water of the milk will evaporate and the milk will get thickened. After that, I am going to put it under the sunlight almost for 2 to 3 hours. Look at the milk. The milk got thickened and the water is evaporated. At this moment, what you have to do, take a spoon and collect all the milk cluster from the plate so that it should not stick to the plate. Otherwise, it will be difficult to take out from the plate. Look at this. When it gets thickens, I collected the crumbles of the milk and now it is under the sunlight. We have to put it under the sunlight until all the clusters get completely dry. As we will get these clusters, we will grind them. Okay, so at least 2 to 3 hours you will need to put it in the sunlight. Now look at this, it's completely dried. No water is there inside. Yes, it is very crunchy too. Now at this moment, grind all the clusters of the milk to the very fine powder. As we are making this milk powder at home, its color will look like pale yellow color. To give sweetness and the white color, we will need to add sugar powder in it. After grinding this milk powder, it will be almost one full of bowl quantity. Okay, so in this we will require 3 spoons of sugar. This is 3 tablespoons of sugar. I am going to powder it. I am going to grind it to make a powder and then I will add it to the milk powder. Yes, super fine sugar we will require here. Now add this sugar powder to the milk powder and mix both properly to blend with each other. So, isn't it a very easy recipe? It was very easy recipe it is. It's done. Mix and store it in the airtight container for a long time. Now we can use it for making sweets, making milk, or making tea, or anything you want to do, you can use it. So friends, did you like my video? If you, please hit the like button and please share this recipe with your friends and family. Please subscribe right now if you didn't. Keep watching Pretty Kitchen. Stay at home, stay safe. Take care, bye bye.